Oh yeah, I've got a request video to do. Long Black Train by Josh Turner. So we got 4 chords. You got D, but you're using both Ds. You're doing the open D, and you're doing the D on the 2nd fret. You've got a B minor, which is 2nd, 1st open. You've got an A, which is 1st open 1st, and you've got a G, which is open 1st, 3rd. 4 chords. Okay, so intro's probably the hardest part of the song. It starts with a little run, a little pull-off run. Not pull-off, hammer on. There's 2 ways you can do it. Or you can do it. Either way works. Doesn't really matter which way you do it. If you do it the lower way, start on the 2nd fret, hammer to the, or start on the 1st fret, hammer to the 2nd, and then open. Open middle. If you do it the other way, open 2nd, hammer to the 1st, open high. So it's either way works. It doesn't matter which one you do. For the verse, you do the D for a long time, and then it's a quick change B minor to a D, and then D a long time again, and quick change A to the D. So strum pattern, I'm kind of palm muting it for this. I've never explained palm muting, I don't think. But for palm muting, just move your palm to where it kind of just mutes the strings, but you still hear them. Just move it, you'll find a sweet spot for it. So for the strum, hit the bass, down, up, down, up. That's pretty much the strum I've got for the whole thing. It's funny, the song called Long Black Train, it kind of strum it like a train. So, verse. Like I said, you hold the D for a long time. To the B minor. To the D. Just a quick B minor in there. And then it does the same thing again, holds the D for a long time. To the A. Back to the D. Now, actually, when I was playing around to the song, it's one of those things, the song's done in a different key, and if you ignore it a little bit, you could still play along with it even though you're doing it in a different key, just to get your timing and everything right. And when I was listening to it closely, it's very hard to hear those changes, the B minor and the A. So, if you guys want to sing, you could almost do D for the whole verse, if you wanted to. Anyways, do the chorus. So you do the verse twice, and then you do the chorus, and then the verse, chorus, verse, chorus. But it starts with 2 verses, but I've already shown you the verse, so let's do the chorus. So it starts in a D again. I won't be doing a palm muting here. I'll let it ring out a little bit more. So for the chorus, I don't know if I like this tripod. I'm not getting the angle I was getting in the way I was doing it before. I'll play around with it, see what, if I keep it this way or not. So it starts. That's it. So it starts with a D. To the A, B minor, D, G, D with the 2nd, B minor, D with the 2nd, A, D. So let's do a verse and a chorus all the way through. Yeah, I don't like this. Let's see if I can try a different angle. If you can see it better. That might be better. Okay. Not too much to it there. Some faster changes in there. You just have to practice. But you got 4 chords. 4 chords we've done quite a bit in other videos, so hopefully you know them. And that's it for this one. Long Black Train. We shall see you guys next time.